students? 4.4 adding and subtracting decimals. Can you add and subtract decimals?
Yes.
All right, class. What's the answer to an addition problem called?
Sum.
What's the answer to a subtraction problem called?
Difference.
When we add and subtract with decimals, we follow 4 very basic steps. So again, adding and subtracting with decimals, we follow 4 basic steps. Our first step is to do what?
Stack the numbers.
Our second step is to,
Line up the decimals and place values.
after we do that, our third step is to,
Add zeros to even out the numbers.
and then in the end, we do what?
Solve and evaluate.
Solve and evaluate mean the same thing.
Yes.
This problem right here, looks like I stacked my decimals, yes?
Yes.
Why did I put this 0 in black? Yeah, to show that we had to actually add a 0 to even out the numbers, right?
Yes.
When you're borrowing, let's say you're borrowing and you have a 0, so you have to go to the next place value over and borrow from that next place value over. Do you have to actually show that this place value is a 10
Yes.
before you can change it to a 9?
Yes.
Cool. Even out the number, yes?
Yeah.
Ooh, quick, good one here. After every whole number, there's always what?
Invisible decimals.
So this number 62, you're telling me there's a decimal point right there?
Yes.
Even if I can't see it?
Yeah.
There's a decimal point right there even if I can't see it?
Yes.
How about on a money problem? Can you add any more than 2 zeros after the decimal?
No.
No, because that wouldn't be really accurate then. Last one. Why is 4 and 44 hundredths an acceptable or a reasonable answer? Wes? Well, do I have to round 6? I do? No. Do I have to round 1 and 56 hundredths?
Yes.
To what? So you're saying this is like a 6 and this is almost like a 2, right?
Yeah.
And what is 6 minus 2, Wes?
4.
Is 4 pretty close to 4 and 44 hundredths?
Yes.
Is it a pretty good idea to like estimate answers before you actually get final answers?
Yes.
We good?